Yeah.
Hello. चालू करने का
Yes.
चालू करूं?
Yes, sir. Let me hear.
Good afternoon. I am Arun Godwani, Chief Engineer, Pune Smart City Development Corporation, making an attempt to make the presentation of placemaking site which we are going to create in PCC DCL area that is Aun, Baner and Balewadi. First of all, I want to inform you that all these sites where we are making the this placemaking site, developing this placing site, land is handed over to us by PMC, and PMC took over this land from the owners who are developing the property in the owner Baner Balewadi area. Their principle of taking over this land is very simple. Any plot is having area more than 4,000 square meter, the builder or developer should give 50% land to the PMC free of cost. As and against, he will get a benefit of FSI 2, and that location should be such that it should be accessible from a 9-meter wide road.
Yes.
So this initiative involves, we are generally creating these sites for the benefits of the residents staying in the local areas, and all these sites are having different themes. Almost 21 sites we are developing with different 21 themes, and all themes are based having some base for that. So I will directly this पे चला जाऊँ.
Yes, yes. I mean,
स्वागत.
yes. So each of these, the idea behind designing these localities are that they have this unique identity which is being given, and also their branding and sustainable aspects are also taken into consideration. So what we have seen is that from the impact point of view, we have seen that around 100 to 150 people visit these localities on a daily basis, and during the weekends these numbers usually double up, is what we have generally seen the trend. Okay, so like sir has mentioned earlier, so we have most the amenity spaces after the plans are developed by builders and major development agencies. Some part of the area is submitted to Pune Corporation as a small
Amenity space.
as an amenity space, and those spaces are now taken, and these are usually unattended and usually used by the local neighborhood to just dump their waste or to use them for other any kind of development that is there. So these such areas plots have been identified. 28 such plots have been identified in the Banewali area, which is our ABD area. And out of these, the Pune Smart City has taken their possession, and then wherever there are no litigations or any other problems that are involved, those areas were identified, and where we have invested our efforts. Okay, so the approach we are trying to take. Yes.
So now I will explain that this community farming theme is generally, this concept was there to make aware the residents who are staying for having those who are interested in farming. So in the next picture you will see how we have provided it. So we have provided pits for planting the trees. They can plant, they can come, can plant and maintain those trees for their own interest and in general interest of the public. To maintain this park, to maintain this, to meet the expenditure, one side we have planted number of fruit trees, which are vegetables are also growing there. So whatever earnings we are getting, see on the left side, there are 7 pits, which is we reserved for general public or any residents of the city can come, he can plant, he can bring his plant, he can put there, and he can maintain for that. Water supply will be provided by us. And on the right side, if you will see, there we have planted number of fruit trees and other shady trees. In between, we are having some flower trees, and these fruit trees are now giving the production. And we have also provided one canteen there. So whatever income we get, if we are just spending that income for the maintenance of this uh, site. In addition, we also provided a 4 kW solar panel system, which is connected to net metering system, due to which we are making a lot of saving in the electricity bill. And this is a well accepted concept of the residents of the area. They are regularly coming there. They are doing some plantation there, and like that we are going ahead, sir. And in addition, we are also provided composting pit at the last, which is just visible in blue color, blue check there. Whatever organic waste is generated on the site, it is disposed of on the site only. Only inorganic things are living outside in the Kachra Gadi. So this is a zero waste generating thing here we have developed, sir. And this is the photographs we can see that these pits are there, these planted plants are there, and this is the waiting area, or you can say meeting area for the general public, where we just provided the benches having granite tops, no backs, so they can sit, talk, and they can go. And this is the night view of the site. You can just see it is well lit up structure, and public are allowed generally up to 7:30 in the evening on the site. This is the swimming pool site, sir. This was a incomplete site taken over by PCSCDL. There was hardly a pool there. So remaining all works we have carried out, like we have provided a filtration plant, we have developed the surrounding area, washroom, change rooms, and locker rooms. Everything we have provided. This pool is having 12.5 by 25-meter size. That is, you can say, half Olympic size. Now the corporation, we handed it to the corporation. They will start using this as per their rules and regulations.
And also to add to that, we have also installed CCTV cameras in this vicinity to provide the extra security. And also we have a DG set also installed to support when there is a power failure. So that is the next thing. Next one. So this is one more initiative that is developed in the survey number 140 for in Baner area, where you can see it is more of a public park, and you will see that the garden has been well developed, and we have some sitting area for citizens, and also kids can have their own equipment where they can play and have some fun. And apart from that, as you can notice here, this is a solar panel tree that has been set up, which generates the power for this locality, and this is one of the renewable things. Also, I would like to highlight, we have other facility, like here there is a library, the shed that looks like it's basically a library sort of thing, wherein books donated by local neighbors are put in place, and everybody can walk in and read them, and then come over at any point in time. So this is one more thing that has been developed. And next one, if we go, there is one more locality, which is our survey number 135, which was developed. So here also you can see citizens sitting here and working also. And there is power supply and also Wi-Fi. The public Wi-Fi that is part of our smart elements is extended to this place as well. So they can use those facilities here, and they can also charge their batteries with the power supply and power sockets that are provided. And this is the open theater that has been developed in the same vicinity. So yeah, as you can see, the public from neighborhood places is being engaged, and they are able to engage in community activities. Then there is some play ground for young children as well as youth. So these have been taken into consideration while designing these neighborhoods, the locality and the placement where there are younger crowds. We try to incorporate more of these playing items in those things. So some of the ongoing works that are currently with us. That is one of the sites that we have. We are developing an augmented reality park. The basic idea behind that is to bring in technology and also try to get people to use it for their day-to-day purposes.
So this theme is generally developed. You can see, sir, there is one big dome at the center and 7 domes around it. So these in 7 domes, they are interconnected with each other. They are air-conditioned domes, and here we will be making the sort of picture gallery, giving the basic ideas of Pune, some history things, like it will be a permanent gallery. The center dome will be using for 3D picturization for virtual similarities. based on Pune history or like other issues which will be found suitable at the time of inauguration. Here also we have provided a theatre for the general public where they can have their meetings, their song conference also, sir. And this roll ball issue here, it is a first time we are making in Pune a roll ball court, which is a recently introduced game in the national level. And in this scheme, we are also having the benefit of the CSR. The total project cost is shared at 50% ratio. 80 lakhs is will be given by the developer who was involved in development of the scheme, and remaining 80 lakhs we will be spending. Here we will be providing a roll ball court with skating ring around, a spectator to see the matches, because it will be a national design court, and this will be the first type of court in Pune which we are going to provide for the public, sir. So these are the list is showing the total amenity spaces under development by the PCSC DCL, sir. And you will find everywhere the theme is different, and generally it is not a only garden sort of thing. Every site is having some concept, some theme behind it. Next. This is the senior citizen park, sir. Particularly, we are developing for the older pupils. The green portion, you will see this is a lawn structure we have provided. Then this green portion is a meeting spot for the senior citizens. The last one is a library, ये वाला structure. इसके पहले वाला structure इसमें visible नहीं हो पाया निकल. वो जो है सर उनके लिए stand pit के ऊपर gym equipment का provision किया गया है, उसमें दिख रहा है. उसमें वो प्रोविजन क्या है, बट दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली मेंटेन फॉर द सीनियर सिटीजन्स ओनली इन द एरिया, सर. एंड दिस एनवायरमेंटल पार्क, दिस concept is there, sir. Here we will be providing different type of equipments, like साइकिल पे लड़का बैठा है, वो पेडलिंग कर रहा है, तो कहीं से पानी पंप हो रहा है, कहीं पावर जनरेट हो रही है. So it is a joint mixture of कि पब्लिक बच्चों को भी इंटरेस्ट है उसमें, और वो कोई deliberately play करना चाहेंगे उसके ऊपर से, because they are getting the result. And all these things are having again solar system here, and these solar panels are used for generating the power, and the power will be connected to net metering system. So we will save a lot of power there.
Yes. So just as a future scope for us is what we were highlighting. So most of the initiatives that are planned, which are under development, are being implemented as on date. So some of the ones that are completed, we have gone through them in detail. And also one of the key areas that Smart City has taken into consideration is that to integrate the ideas from Urban 95 theme, which is being endorsed by Mahua. So basically, the agenda around this is to have the neighborhoods developed that are friendly for younger generational children. So basically, 95 is the 95 centimeters of height. So any person or basically a child who is of 95 centimeter height should be able to utilize these amenities, and so the amenities should be having the should take consideration from that level as well. So that was the concept that was imbibed into these initiatives. And also wherever there is a lot of popularity, so we have seen that some areas there is a lot of citizen participation and also a lot of engagement happening in our facilities. So we are trying to identify areas where we can monetize and develop some sort of revenue stream which will help us in continuing on sustaining these initiatives. So that are the future areas that we are looking at. So that's all, sir. So any comments or suggestions?
So I want to only say one thing, sir. Wherever we are developing any scheme of any type, we are having a maintenance contract of 3 years. So that is not like that the contractor will do work and they will go away. So this is from my side, sir. Please, sir.
Sharma ji?
So, sir, who develops this? Do you not undertake these activities departmentally, or it is on contract How
Sir,
you are
sir,
investigating?
okay, sir, I will reply. Sir, PCC being the SPV, they are giving the responsibility of Aun Baner Balewadi area, and this SPV is engaging the contractors following all procedure of the contracts, and the work is awarded to the lowest contractor considering their previous experience in the field. And that's why I specifically said that they are also responsible for 3-year maintenance after the completion of the work. So they will not run away, and 3 years our staff will also aware of the things how they are going to maintain it or otherwise.
And initial capital investment is provided by.
By PCSC DCL as per
Okay, okay,
government provision, sir.
okay. Thank you.
नहीं नहीं
you,
बहुत
sir.
अच्छा है. I think this is a very good project they have taken. Excellent. बहुत बढ़िया.
Thank you, sir.
चलिए.
So thank you for this presentation. I guess we have 3 more presentations from your department. So just quickly move on to the next one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.